Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel where we are the squad and you are the studs. Today, we are talking about what makes your face ugly or why you have an ugly face. So I'm just gonna cut straight to it. Number one, guys, it's poor hygiene. Having poor hygiene in the sense that you just rolled out of bed, you walk out the door with the clothes you had on the day before, or maybe your pajamas. You didn't take a shower, you didn't scrub your face, you didn't do anything to make yourself look pretty. You're looking ugly. You have eye boogers, you have watermarks from your saliva, from your sweet dreams that you were having, and that does not look good. Wash your face, guys. Get in the shower, freshen up. Number two, you are out drinking too much, guys. I get it. You want to go hang out with bros, you want to go to a sports bar, you want to watch a game, or you just want to play video games or whatever it may be. You're having too many beers, you're having too many alcohol. These things, they are high on solute and sugars and salts and all that good stuff, and it dehydrates your skin. You're going to look old, tired, dehydrated, overall ugly. Number three, you're not exfoliating. I've talked about it before on the channel. Link up here. I'm assuming you stayed. So you're not exfoliating, guys. I personally use Harry's products for most of my facial cleaning stuff. It's a nice exfoliator, it's comfortable, it's not too abrasive to me, and it takes care of my skin. If you have dead skin cells on your face, it's gonna gray out your face, guys. Like, this is actually something that you can see. Go maybe a week, or if you've never exfoliated before, try it. Buy yourself a good face wash with maybe some exfoliating beads that are not too abrasive. I talk about it in one of my videos. I'll link everything down below. And wash your face. You're gonna see your face take life, guys. It's going to look brighter. It's going to look refreshed, renewed, and younger. Exfoliate, it's important. Number four is taking care of your face using sunscreen. Whether you're going out to a water park, a river, a beach, to your work, it doesn't matter. Wear sunscreen on your face. Personally, like I said, Harry's products. I am not sponsored in any way, shape, or form, so I'm not being paid to tell you good stuff about these products. I am giving you, out of the kindness of my gentlemanly, is that even a word? Gentlemanly? Out of the kindness of my heart, to take care of you guys, make you look like absolute studs, because I gotta take care of my homies, It's take care of your face. SPF 15, just to, kind of guard you against the harmful sun's rays. And obviously, last but not least, it's picking at your face. Did you nick yourself getting a shave or something? Don't take off the scab. Stop picking at your face. Do you have a zit? Do you have a pimple somewhere? Stop trying to pop it. These things, they need to clean themselves. Your face cleans itself, and sometimes when it needs a little bit extra help, you need to do it gently. That's why a gentle exfoliating scrub is going to be your best friend when it comes to facial cleaning. Why is it important, guys, to take care of your face? This is your first impression. This is what people see. In case you haven't noticed, people look at other people at their face when they're talking. Why? Because words come out of this hole, and out of these two, you have eyes, and people usually look at you in the eyes when you are interacting with one another. So you want to have this in the best condition possible. That is it for this video, guys. If you like the content, smash the like button. If you like what I do on the channel, smash the subscribe button. Turn on bell notification icon so you are informed of whenever I post a new video. Guys, thank you for supporting the channel. Stay safe and stay stylish.